you in the club?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kaylee, and today I'm going to be opening up Strawberry Shortcake's new house. And I also have 3 Play-Doh surprise strawberries to open for you. And now I have everything unwrapped, and here is the Strawberry Shortcake doll up close. She has really long, pretty red and pink hair. And it smells amazing, like some kind of strawberry gum or something. She has on little cute pink shoes and a green striped dress. And she has big green eyes and freckles, of course. Now let's take a look inside her house. As you can see, it's pink with green windows and a green and white awning. And it's shaped like a strawberry, of course. You can also open up the door here. And it's tall enough for Strawberry Shortcake to walk through. Or you can also open up her house this way. And inside on the upper shelf, there's some accessories and some stickers. It looks like we have some balloons, a table, a little strawberry cake, Custard, the kitty cat. She is so cute. And it looks like a pitcher and 2 cups. And here's what it looks like when it's all put together. Strawberry Shortcake has a cute little patio where she can have outdoor parties. And on the inside, she has a shelf for storage and 2 framed pictures, one of Custard and one of a puppy. There's also 2 windows and a rug. And on the top level, there's a little loft area. To me, this looks like a cozy place to sleep. And there's plenty of room for Custard, too. Now that everything's decorated, let's see what's inside these giant Play-Doh strawberries. Oh, it's a Strawberry Shortcake chocolate surprise egg. And inside we have a little berry guy. This one looks like a strawberry, and he's going to be playing guitar. And here's a closer look at him. He's cute. I think he'll fit just perfectly at this party. Time to see what's inside strawberry number 2. This time it's a Series 2 Palace Pets blind bag. Oh my goodness, this one is so cute. This is Sundrop, and she is a peacock. How cute. Apparently Sundrop belongs to Princess Rapunzel. He is so fancy. I think he'll make a good friend for Custard. Time to see what's in our 3rd Play-Doh strawberry. And it's a Shopkins Season 2. Look who it is! It's Sizzles! And he's red and green. He is going to match Strawberry Shortcake's decor perfectly. And look! Sizzles is actually a rare. That is so lucky! Well guys, I hope that you enjoyed checking out Strawberry's House and Cafe. If you'd like to see more fun videos with Strawberry Shortcake, click on the thumbs up. And be sure to leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite character was from this video. My favorite is Custard the kitty cat. This is Kaylee for DCTC, and thanks for watching!
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC. We do toy reviews. DCTC.
And we play with Play-Doh too.
Skits, pranks, eggs and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
That's right.